if you have a new fashion brand and you've been working with manufacturing overseas, like let's say specifically in Pakistan, which is where a lot of apparel manufacturing takes place. So a lot of you guys who maybe, let's say if you just started a fashion brand, you're just starting to get some new samples and things like that made. You're probably going to Pakistan to get your basically to get your products going. I just want to talk real quick about how you have to communicate your vision with overseas manufacturing, because a lot of times you have to keep in mind that these companies, these manufacturers, they are really just in it for the most part. They're in it for the money. So whatever, they're not going to really get into a lot of nitty gritty details to make sure that your product is perfectly exactly your vision unless you really push that and you really deliver them exactly what it is you want and make sure that they know not to deviate or try to add in some of their own ideas, which has been partially some of my experience in working with overseas manufacturing, specifically in Pakistan, is that a lot of times they will kind of take over your project and they will start to do things that you did not ask them to do. They will add or remove things or change some things without asking you. So communication is 100% key when you're working with overseas manufacturing, especially with the language barriers and things like that. So guys, when you are working specifically with overseas manufacturing, I cannot stress it enough. You have to have a tech pack. If you don't know how to make tech packs yourself, that's perfectly fine. You're the business owner. You're the one who's running the show. You don't have to know how to do the tech pack. You just got to know what your vision is and what you want. But you have to know how to make sure, you have to know how to communicate that with manufacturing. Okay. So you can hire somebody to make your tech packs for you. You can find someone on Etsy, you can find someone on Fiverr to actually put your tech pack together in a professional way. That way, when it goes to manufacturing, they know exactly what they need to do.